When I was a little girl, my mom used to have the hardest time trying to get me out of the water. And it didn't matter if it was the ocean on the Atlantic coast or the pool in our backyard, I was in it. And she even told me that I wasn't a little girl at all, that I was really a fish in disguise, and that's why I love the water so much. When really, I love the water because I am like water. Many people have things that they compare themselves to in their lives. Things that make us go, I'm proud, I feel confident. Things that give us the strength to say, because I'm like this, I can do that. And at least for me, that's water. So today I'm going to tell you the 2 reasons why I'm like water and how they've inspired my life. The first being that water can transform into any object. The other being that water is so powerful it can overcome any obstacle. So first off, water has this amazing ability to conform into any shape, any size, any object. It doesn't matter. I too have this ability that I can transform into different situations. I very easily move from situation to situation. Whether it's a business meeting or a casual evening with my husband, I have no issues. People have told me over various points of my life that because of my varied interests and knowledge, that no situation could make me feel uncomfortable. And when I think of how to apply this aspect of water to my life, I think water can transform into anything. I can do anything. I can be anything because I'm like water. Second off, water has this powerful, strong presence. It can overcome any obstacle. When water is trapped in a valley, what does it do? It cuts through rock, it cuts through stone, it travels over the mountain. It creates a river. And I myself am like this in the way that I can overcome any obstacle I set my mind to. I will find a way through. For example, I'm a newlywed. I work full-time. I participate in my church. I am a very family-oriented person. And when I decided to get an education, nothing was going to stand in my way. Not money, not opinions, not even time himself could stop me. And when I think of how I've applied this aspect of water to my life, the fact that water can overcome any obstacle, it gives me such confidence, it's unbelievable. So in conclusion, I've told you how I'm like water today because I can conform to any situation I'm put in, and I can overcome any obstacle. And I hope that people will be able to find something that they can compare their lives to that gives them the confidence that they need to succeed. Who knows, they might find there's something in a very unexpected place. They just might be swimming in it.